Hello everyone. We will tell you how to tie the shoelaces.
How to tie shoelaces.
First of all, you have to tie one knot like this.
You have to tie one knot like this.
And then make a butterfly.
The butterfly.
And you are done. Make it a little tight.
Make it a little tight.
Okay, now we will tie another shoelaces. Okay.
First make a
single knot. And then we will make a butterfly.
And then we will make a butterfly.
Very good.
Thank you.
This video is Unit 2. Practice tying your shoelaces of our playlist Fun Activities. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe my channel. Video like subscribe my